there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a security camera. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the security camera. I'm using my ruler to draw two straight lines. I'm drawing it with borders. Here's two more straight lines, and I have connected them. Now let's draw the camera. I'm using my compass with a pencil in it. I've drawn a circle here and a tiny one inside it. There are 4 circles total. I'm using my compass again. And now let's connect them. This is the cover of the camera. Okay, now let's draw a few tiny circles around it. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Now I'm using my pencil to do the coloring. It will create a nice gray color. Now I'm using my gray pen. Okay, it's already looking good. And now I'm using my red pen to fill all the dots inside the camera. I'm using my pencil again. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.